What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Sophie from Sophie's Kitchen, and in today's video we are making these yummy chili eggs. It's super simple to make, very easy, and you will love them. So without saying more, let's get started. Into the egg you will add some chopped spring onions, salt, and nicely diced green pepper, and give it a mix. Once you're done, set it aside and put the stove on. Put some flavorless oil. Once hot enough, pour your egg mixture. Wait for about 30 seconds and flip it over. Oh, it smells and tastes so yummy. And if you love chili, you're gonna enjoy this. So anyway guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the sub button for more of my amazing videos. Bye, and see you in my next video.